The tech fields that will change the future won't just be beneficial for the world, but also will provide jobs for those interested in these fields, which will improve the world's economy. So in this video, let's check out these 7 tech fields that will change the future. Number 1. Artificial Intelligence. AI and machine learning refers to the ability of machines to act intelligently. They can make decisions, carry out tasks, learn from past mistakes, and predict future outcomes. Alexa, Siri, Cortana, Amazon's product recommendation to find us the best product, Google Ads and predicting what ads they should pop up on your screen, dating apps to find the best matches, a fitness or a macro tracker are all driven by AI. Simply, AI is making computers think and act like humans. Because AI can make decisions, it will help businesses and organizations to make better decisions and reduce the potential of bad decision making. Also, it could increase the workflow in some repetitive tasks of a business by operating 24/7 without interruption and rarely do any mistakes. Can really AI change the world? AI can reduce human errors, make proper decisions, replace humans in some tasks, work 24/7 non-stop. So what do you think of AI? Comment down below. Number 2. Brain-computer interface. Imagine being able to type on a Word document without even hitting the keyboard, but just thinking about it. And it is already being developed by the one and only Elon Musk. Elon Musk's Neuralink company is on its way to create a wireless brain chip that will be implanted in the human brain. Now, I did the research about human implanting. The process is called neurosurgery. It consists of cutting the skin, arriving to the skull, then digging a hole in it, exposing the protective tissue that surrounds the brain, and it's called the dura, cutting it and exposing the brain, and now you can implant that chip. With this Neuralink device, you are able to communicate with computers and interact with them. In 2017, a patient had a neurosurgery, which eventually allowed that person to communicate with the computer by typing on words without even touching the keyboard. Number 3. Augmented Reality. The game Pokemon Go should give you an idea about AR. With augmented reality, you are able to see anything by wearing a pair of AR goggles that will show you everything you wanted to know. It is just like seeing the Pokemon in a 3D shape on your device. This time, with AR, you are able to see much more than that. Let's say you want to purchase a new couch and not sure if it will fit in correctly in your room. But lucky for you, you have AR goggles that will visualize for you the couch you want to purchase in a 3D aspect. Then you can now view how this furniture fits your room. Number 4. Tactile Virtual Reality. You can feel, see, hear in virtual reality. Let me explain. When you are playing Call of Duty and you get hit, the joystick will vibrate. With tactile virtual reality, you will feel the bullet that hits you. Imagine you put on a suit wired with buttons and put on the VR headsets and actually live what you are seeing in these goggles. Sense and feel the environment as well as hearing sounds. You could feel a rock hitting you or feel cold if you entered a cold area, as well as feel hot if you entered a hot area. This is all available with tactile virtual reality, and it is already in the market, used in gaming as well as in sports and surgery, by making the surgeon perform a surgery in the virtual reality, where he or she can feel what is going on, and it's actually used to train surgeons. Number 5. Self-driving vehicles. We all know Tesla is the one involved in this concept. Of course, there are other than Tesla, but Tesla is popular for this, right? Self-driving cars uses sensors, software, radar, GPS, laser beams and cameras to monitor road conditions and navigate an autonomous vehicle. But what really is fascinating here is that these self-driving vehicles will have no steering wheel. You just sit, submit your destination, and the vehicle will take you there. That might be a downside for those who likes to drive, but it will be one heck of an amazing innovation to be made. And not just cars, but also self-driving planes and drones. An example, Volocopter invented a self-driving drone to help in heavy lifts that is fully electric and strong. It is called the Volodrone. Number 6. Hyperloop. Imagine you board a metro and the average speed of this metro is 45 kilometers per hour. But imagine boarding a metro that is faster than a jet, taking you from A to Z in only 10 minutes instead of hours using a normal metro. The Hyperloop is a project between Tesla and SpaceX. The Hyperloop works by placing a pod inside a tunnel with low air pressure, which will allow it to travel at a very fast pace. Unfortunately, this concept is still under construction and might not be present for a decade. But sit tight, it will appear someday. Number 7. Quantum computers. This is not the golden Mac by Apple or the Razer Blade 17 laptop. Our normal computers uses zeros and ones to transfer data, but we are talking about quantum computers. Instead of using zeros and ones, they are using quantum bits, which allow them to run 1 million times faster than any computer we have today. They can perform one of the complex operations fast enough and give you almost near to perfect answer. Did you know that Google has already a quantum computer, and this is the CEO of Google who took a picture next to it? Alright, these are the top 7 tech fields that might change the future. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is TechSent, and how about checking out these mind-blowing technologies that will really blow your mind?